Welcome. In this video, we will share details of Maybank's financial performance in the first quarter of financial year 2025 with you. Maybank reported a resilient performance for the first quarter of financial year 2025, ended 31st March 2025, with net profit rising 4.0% year-on-year to 2.59 billion ringgit, supported by 1.8% rise in net operating income to 7.71 billion ringgit. The rise in income was led by higher net fund-based income, which grew 2.3% to 4.95 billion ringgit, while non-interest income was slightly higher by 0.8% at 2.76 billion ringgit. Costs growth was moderate at 2.3%. Meanwhile, asset quality improved, as shown by lower net impairment losses of 21.7% to 426.4 million ringgit, with net loan provisions reducing by 17.9% to 384.2 million ringgit. Return on equity strengthened to 11.3%, underpinned by the group's resilient performance. As at 31st March 2025, Maybank recorded a moderate 2.2% year-to-date annualized loans growth amid a softer economic environment. Across our markets, Malaysia grew 6% and Singapore at 3.3%, while Indonesia contracted on loan repayments by some corporate clients. Meanwhile, deposits grew slower at 1.6% to 744.9 billion ringgit, as the increase in Malaysia of 3.4% was offset by contractions in Singapore and Indonesia. Maybank's loan loss coverage ratio remained healthy at 122.9%. The group's gross impaired loan ratio also improved, easing to 1.27%. Meanwhile, the group's capital position remained strong, with the Common Equity Tier 1 capital ratio at 14.88% and the total capital ratio at 17.96%. Maybank has surpassed its sustainability and social impact targets. The group mobilized 125.46 billion ringgit in sustainable finance, well above its 80 billion ringgit target. It also positively impacted 2.12 million households across ASEAN, exceeding its goal of reaching 2 million households. Additionally, Maybank achieved a cumulative carbon emissions reduction of 53.6%, making significant progress towards its financial year 2030 carbon neutrality target. Finally, Maybank received a B climate rating from CDP for the second consecutive year, driven by strong performance in risk and opportunity disclosures, governance, and Scope 3 emissions target setting. To view our detailed first quarter of financial year 2025 results presentation, visit www.maybank.com/ir. Thank you for your interest in Maybank, and we look forward to serving you.